The recording has started, and now, yeah. So last class we covered
List.
list. So today we will be covering. Yeah. So today we'll be covering dictionary, hash, hash. We will covering dictionary, hash, tuple, then array list. Array list always we have touch up like we already discussed, and any other like leftover collection types or collections. Okay. So yeah, what is dictionary? So dictionary is something. So in terms of dictionary, when you call dictionary in any language, it is basically a key value pair. So what happens is like in list, we are not creating a key. Like all the collections is just like a stack or just like an array. Okay. So we are just we got some object or like if it is a list of integer type or list of string type, still in the list. Okay, we are not giving a number to that. Or this we are not giving any unique identifier to the list. So there is no unique way we can reference. In some cases, you may have to do that. Okay, you need a the data you're storing. I guess that you need a unique value. So that you can achieve by using generics.
Dash.
Using your dictionary. Okay, so delegates collection here, right? So list, then we'll use dictionary. Again, all are like these are all generic types. Okay, so public void text dictionary. As I said, it is a dictionary is a generic type. So what I have to do? New dictionary. No, not like this. Of type, let's say int and string. Okay, so if you hover your mouse, you can see it already tells you what it is as, what it is like, which one is the key and which one is value. So first parameter, first type is the key, second type is value. That means when I'm say dictionary dot add, I have to do a one, like that's my integer part, and against that I have to add a value. For example, .net. Okay, now if I want to add say one against like let's say oops, okay, it will not throw error in the compile time, but it will throw error. Okay, it will throw error on runtime. We'll see that one. Okay, so this is one example, and how to fetch the data. So the various you can fetch where data equal to dict. You can see you can pass the key. Okay, and you'll get the data like this. I'll pass like one and I'll get two, like I'll get a relevant value.
Yeah.
For your reference, I'll add a couple of more values. Okay, so this is how you can pass. Otherwise, you can also do like this. You can use for each item in dict. So what item is a key value pair. Okay, so dictionary is a collection of key value pair. So there is a type called key value pair. Okay, you can say type means it is basically an class or struct. Okay, so key value pair. and that is a collection of that. Okay, and that key value pair itself is a generic type. Okay, so that means each individual item is a key value pair type, and it has like it will basically have two variables. One is key, another is value. So how to fetch them? Item dot key. Okay, so yeah, and another way to do for each also I did not show you. So you can do like this also. Mm, mm. Okay, for which we cannot run. We should be able to run it. Why is it not? Okay, we'll see. I will show you. Like there's a for each basically it's nothing but extension method itself. Okay, that is all I wanted to show you. But I'll show you for a while. I don't want to divert now. So yeah, a lot of things you can use. You can do using this. If you want to know what are the methods available, you just have to type the object and you can see. I have clear method to clear the list. Okay. Then since dictionary is something that the key value pair. Okay, and you want to add something. Let's say like key one is already added. So in this section, line number 16, it will throw error, right? Because key 15 already I have added the key one. Again, same key against the same key I want to add another value, it will throw error. So maybe in a practical sense you're not aware like what if the key exists or not. So what I can do is I can check try add. Okay.
Okay.
So what will happen is if it is there, it will add, otherwise it will return false. Okay, like you can see where added. So I added 1 comma, let's say SQL. Okay, if added, you can write various things you can do using. Okay, a lot of things you can explore by yourself also. Okay, yes, yeah. So if you want to say yeah, if you want to check any value against any key, so is exist. Okay, you can just check the you know value one. So what you have to do is dict dot try get value. Okay, it will give you output value. Okay. So I have not told you something about output out and ref variable. I think I told you not sure, but yeah, out and ref is two keyword. So just for your reference, what this is something called we are actually um, this out parameter and ref parameter used when you want to add something um, uh, like it uses address. Okay, so it uses address. So basically what happens is I said when you're